Why is Ai-RGUS different? You may have questions regarding the specifics of the functionality and why to use Ai-RGUS versus any other existing solution. Ai-RGUS is purpose-built for camera performance monitoring. The problem of not having the information from the cameras when you need it is a problem that exists since cameras exist. But there was no solution that could solve the problem in its entirety. A patchwork of partial solutions have been developed over time, such as IP monitoring or the built-in check in the VMS. Ai-RGUS is a comprehensive solution to that old problem, with nothing missing. It checks all aspects of the camera system. Ai-RGUS is customized for security camera system health and cybersecurity monitoring, while others are either more generic and therefore lack key features, and others like the VMS just don't really focus on this problem. So, we want to show you how Ai-RGUS measures up compared to other solutions that were not purpose-built for camera systems. In this table, we show Ai-RGUS, generic IP monitoring software, and the functionality from representative VMSs, and the information they provide for each type of problem. You'll notice that we all are able to tell you which devices are up or down. However, this comes with a couple of caveats. First, a generic solution may be able to tell you if the NVR that has a registered IP address is up or down, but will it tell you if an individual camera on that NVR is up or down? Second, and most importantly, a camera can be on the network, but that does not guarantee it is streaming video. Ai-RGUS performs an RTSP check to see whether there is a stream that is creating pictures. Third, once we have a picture, we analyze it with artificial intelligence to see whether the picture is clear and the intended image for that camera, using the reference image. This is something that no other software solution offers you. A similar story can be told about the recordings. All software is able to give you information about hard drive status. However, telling you that your hard drive is 96% full is not very helpful if you want to answer a question such as, do all my cameras have 30 days of recordings? Or are all my cameras on a single NVR recording, or are only part of the cameras recording and filling up the drive? For example, if you have 10 cameras on a recorder, 9 of them might record and fill up the drive, while the 10th camera stopped recording for weeks. Ai-RGUS will notify you for any missing recordings for each one of the cameras. Likewise, checking the timestamp of the device, whether its time zone and daylight savings time settings are correct, is also not a given across the many manufacturers that exist in video surveillance. Finally, with Ai-RGUS, you can perform actions such as rebooting cameras, devices, bulk changing passwords, password management and policy, bulk firmware updates, which are also unique to camera systems. Call or email us today for a free trial of the Ai-RGUS software.